JNR టీవీకి స్వాగతం. ఆర్చరీ అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా మరియు తెలంగాణ ఆర్చరీ అసోసియేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో తెలంగాణ హైదరాబాద్ బేగంపేట హైదరాబాద్ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో 10వ తేదీ నుండి 19వ తేదీ వరకు నిర్వహించబడుతున్న సీనియర్ నేషనల్ ఆర్చరీ ఛాంపియన్లో భాగంగా ఈ రోజు కాంపౌండ్ విభాగంలో మెన్ మరియు ఉమెన్ ఒలింపిక్స్ రౌండ్ మెన్ మరియు ఉమెన్ టీం మిక్స్డ్ టీం విభాగాలు ఘనంగా పూర్తి చేయబడినవి. ఈ ముగింపు కార్యక్రమం సాయంత్రం 5:30 అన్ని రాష్ట్రాల కోచ్లు మేనేజర్లు ఆర్చర్ల మధ్య ఘనంగా మెడల్ సెరమనీ మరియు ముగింపు కార్యక్రమం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో హైకోర్టు హానరబుల్ జస్టిస్ గౌరవనీయులు శ్రీ కె లక్ష్మణ్ గారు, హైదరాబాద్ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ శ్రీ గుష్టిహాల్ యూనోరియా ఏపీఎల్ చైర్మన్ శ్రీ అనిల్ కామినేని గారు విచ్చేసినారు. మెన్ టీం విభాగంలో బంగారు పథకాన్ని ఢిల్లీ సిల్వర్, మహారాష్ట్ర కంస్య పథకాన్ని, హర్యానా ఉమెన్ టీం విభాగంలో బంగారు పథకాన్ని, ఆల్ ఇండియా పోలీస్ స్పోర్ట్స్ కంట్రోల్ బోర్డ్ సిల్వర్, ఢిల్లీ కంస్య పథకాన్ని, మహారాష్ట్ర మిక్స్డ్ టీం విభాగంలో బంగారు పథకాన్ని, పంజాబ్ సిల్వర్, మహారాష్ట్ర కాంస్య పథకాన్ని, ఆర్ఎస్పిబి మరియు వ్యక్తిగత ఒలింపిక్ రౌండ్ మెన్ విభాగంలో విజేతలు బంగారు పథకాన్ని, ఓజస్ మహారాష్ట్ర సిల్వర్ పథకాన్ని, అభిషేక్ వర్మ ఢిల్లీ కాంస్య పథకాన్ని, సాహెల్ రాజేష్ యాదవ్ నిలవగా, వ్యక్తిగత ఒలింపిక్ రౌండ్ ఉమెన్ విభాగంలో బంగారు పథకాన్ని ఆదిత్య గోపిచంద్, మహారాష్ట్ర సిల్వర్ పథకాన్ని సాక్షి చౌదరి, కంస్య పథకాన్ని మాధురి ధామగోకర్ వార్లు విజేతలుగా నిలిచారు. వీరందరి తెలంగాణ ఆర్చరీ అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ తలకొక్కల రాజు, ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి శ్రీ పి అరవింద్ కుమార్ మరియు ఆర్చరీ అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా డెవలప్మెంట్ కమిటీ మెంబర్ శ్రీ పుట్ట శంకరయ్య, శ్రీ అశ్విని కాంత్రావు, హైదరాబాద్ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ శ్రీ కె శ్రీనివాస్, కరీంనగర్ జిల్లా సెక్రటరీ గారు ప్రత్యేక అభినందనలు తెలియజేశారు.
Congratulations to you for the gold medal, man. Gold medal. Abhishek Verma is satisfied with silver. Nevertheless, both archers are content with their performance, and we hope to see them perform again in the future tournament.
बहुत बधाई आपके फर्स्ट पदक के लिए और सिल्वर मेडल के लिए अभिषेक जी बहुत बधाई अर्जुन और तीरंदाज वर्ल्ड चैंपियन ओजे और अभी ओजे बात फर्स्ट पदक जीते हैं इस प्रतियोगिता में On behalf of Telangana Archery Association, we welcome today's distinguished Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Lakshman Garu, Honorable Judge for High Court of Telangana. We welcome Guest of Honor, Mr. J. Oria, President of Hyderabad Public School. President of Telangana Archery Association, to kindly present the bouquet to our chiefs. Honorable Justice K. Lakshman.
Sir, support him.
I request Mr. Arvind Garu, our Secretary General of Telangana Archery Association. I request Mr. Putta Shankaraya Garu, Member of Development Committee of Archery Association of India, to present a bouquet to Mr. Anil Kameni Garu, former Secretary General of Archery Association of India, He is the father-like personality with the mother staff in the development of the archery in Telangana as well as in the country as well as in Asia also.
Thank you, Babu. Kendra Shankar.
And also the organizing committee of 45th Senior National Archery Championship 2025. I take a proud privilege and a pleasure in welcoming today's our distinguished chief guest, Honorable Judge Sri Lakshman Garu, High Court of Telangana. I also take the privilege to welcome the Honorable guest of honor. Welcome Mr. Skandabali, the principal, Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet. Now I am welcoming our most honored, prestigious Telangana Archery Association's well-wisher, Sri Anil Kamileni Garu. I welcome the Ashwin Rao Garu, who is the member of Development Committee of Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet. Welcome Sri Putta Shankara Garu, he is the Development Committee member of Archery Association of India. I welcome the Ashwin Pawan, the Delhi Public School responsible representative. I welcome Sri Srinivasa Garu, the General Secretary of the Archery Association of Karimnagar. 1978, now this prestigious event now being hosted again in Hyderabad after 52 long years. A total of 43 states and union territories making up 43 participating units are part of this championship, sir. Altogether, 971 men and women archers are competing in this grand national event. I also welcome all the presidents, secretaries, jury members, coaches, archers and representatives of the Archery Association of India. My heartfelt greetings to all of you, sir. Today, at this prestigious venue of the 45th National Archery Championship, compound talent together here for all corners of this country. This championship is not just a competition, it's another significant milestone in the history of Indian archery. Archery in India has its origins in ancient warrior tradition. After 1980, Indian archers began showcasing powerful performance on this international platform, sir. Particularly in legendary archeries of India like Limbaram, Shamlal, Sangha, Dola Banerjee and others. So our main intention in organizing this prestigious tournament is to identify the new talents across the nation, to bring forward the archers from rural and tribal regions, to ensure the equal opportunities for all athletes, to elevate the emerging talent of Telangana to the national stage, particularly to build a strong Indian team for the 2028 Olympics. So I thank you one and all and welcoming to this medal ceremony. Thank you all.
He's a trailblazer in industry, philanthropy and sports. A distinguished educational journey he had. A visionary entrepreneur, empowering communities through philanthropy. And the marksman with a golden aim and a man of purpose of devotion. And he is an international trap and skit shooter. He has a lot to give a message
and we all are very eager to hear his message. Now I request our guest of honor to kindly give his valuable message to all the archers fraternity.
Chief Guest Honorable Ashwin and all the other dignitaries on the dais. The reason we are having this archery nationals in the school is because the school 3 years ago decided to concentrate and take sports very, very seriously. Sports which counts in the harvesting of medals on the international stage. Therefore, apart from all the other sporting activities, we are now on the threshold of having opening archery academy with the help of the Archery Association of India, and we are serious about sports. We don't want sports to be considered as just another subject in the school, but something that we will train the students to seriously consider as a career option.
कर रहे हैं निशा जी लाइव चल रहा है निशा जी आप लाइव मारे
This
हो
is
निशा
an
जी
excellent program and an event to kind of motivate our students to take this up very seriously and harvest medals for the school, for the state, for the nation, as they are doing in all the other sporting activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Take a proud pleasure and privilege of inviting our extinguished chief guest of today's function is none else but Honorable Sri Justice K. Lakshman Garu. He was appointed as an Assistant Solicitor General of India for the High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad for the state of Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. And after the bifurcation of the High Court, and served for the High Court of Telangana State and discharged his duties. And he also has a keen interest in sports and plays cricket, representing the Telangana High Court Judges Cricket Team. He was also the Standing Counsel of Hyderabad Public School. I hereby invite our Chief Guest to give his valuable message.
Good evening, all of you. Esteemed guests on the dais, students, participants, all of you a very good evening. My congratulations to all the participants and also to the winners. Just now Mr. Ravi said I am also interested in sports. Yes, he is right. I am from a very rural, my village is a rural place. We never used to have archery, etc. We used to play only kabaddi, etc. Finally, when I came to Hyderabad, I started playing cricket. Even on 10th January, we are going to Kochi to play cricket. That tournament is called South Indian Judges Tournament. So I am also going there to play cricket on 10th. And in February, every year we will play cricket. So that is called Chief Justice 11 versus Advocates Association 11. So therefore, I am also interested in sports. The moment Mr. Raju came to me with a request to come here as Chief Guest, I immediately accepted because I am also interested in sports. Anyway, it's already 5:45. I will not. With my congratulations to all of you once again. So then, according to me, I have to tell you one more important aspect. So I was loyal to this particular Hyderabad Public School. So I came here after 10 years almost. So that is my memory with this school. Anyway, congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, last but not the least, the long-awaited program, and all the archers are very impatient to receive their medals and fly high. Now I request Mr. Putta Shankaraya Garu, Archery Association of India Development Committee member, to kindly escort our today's chief guest, Mr. Justice K. Lakshman Garu, over to the victory podium. Now we are starting with the compound men team event. The gold medal goes to Delhi. Abhishek Verma, Priyansh, Aman Saini, Ritik Chalal. Kindly come over to the victory podium.
Target number 2, 10. Target number 110, perfect 10.
It was a closely fought battle for the gold medal match. Aditi Gopichand, who was leading by 2 points, came under pressure, shot 2 nines, but recovered and shot a perfect 10 in the last arrow. And she is still leading by 1 point, and she takes the gold medal match according to the target judge with a score of 146 points as against 145 from Sashi Chaudhary, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations both the archers for tremendous performance.
Aditi. Target number 2, 9. Target number 110. Stop shooting. तकनीकी प्रॉब्लम के कारण कैरो बचे हुए हैं.
Ojas shot 2 arrows and he shot a perfect 2 tens. Abhishek Verma from Delhi on target number 2 came under slight pressure and he dropped 1 point. Now he has to shoot 2 arrows. It's now or never for Abhishek Verma to make this to the gold medal. Ojas has to shoot 1 arrow. He should ensure that he will not miss the 10 and thereby winning the gold medal match.
टारगेट नंबर 1 पे ओजस शूट कर रहे हैं, जो अभी तक उन्होंने 10 को बाहर नहीं मारा है और उन्होंने 120 इसके पहले तक स्कोर बराबर थे. अभी 2 एरो उन्होंने शूट किया. टारगेट नंबर 2, परफेक्ट 10. Target number 110. Target number 2, 10 ही छोड़ेंगे. 10. दोनों ही आर्चर्स अभी तक बराबर चलते हुए.
Oh, the archers not giving any room of error. Spectators are also immensely involved in the match, and the suspense continues. Who will be the winner? But let's encourage the archers with a big round of applause. Spectators, last 6 arrows to go. Decide the gold medal winner of this 21st NTPC National Compound Senior Archery Championship here at our historic Hyderabad Public School. On behalf of Archery Association of India, NTPC, Telangana Archery Association and Hyderabad Archery Association, I welcome all of you to this finals of the NTPC 21st Senior Compound Archery Championships.
First shoot, target number 1. Target number 1, a perfect 10. Target number 2, 10.
परमतेश समाधान चौका, प्रतिमेश बालचंद्रा क्यूजी, I request Mr. Mulli to kindly escort Mr. C.R. Kurmi to kindly come over to the dais. Bronze medal goes to Kushal Dalal, Rishabh Yadav, Mohit Nagar, Ayush Rao of Haryana. The team event, the women's team gold medal goes to AIPCB. Samina Mumbai, Rajasthan, Supreet Kaur. And the silver medal goes to Delhi, Pragati, Kumar Saini, Akshita, Drishti. Bronze medal goes to Maharashtra, Aditi Gopi Lakshmi, Madhura Tambapuran, Jharkhand, Tejal Rajendra Salvi. Please assemble girls. I request all other medalists also to kindly come near the dais. Coaches, kindly take care of your all medalists of double 50. We need to take a good photographs.
No problem, no problem. सब शेयर करेंगे यार। हाँ, रेडी 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 1 2 3 शेयर करना है 1 2 3 को शेयर। वीडियो नहीं बनी होगी, वीडियो निकालो, वीडियो निकालो। तेजल वीडियो कर, एक बार अरे नहीं ठीक है और कोई निकालो।
Okay. Samaj Association of India Development.
Stand and hold.
Next prize distribution is the big event. I request the medal winners to be ready. In the mixed division, the gold medal goes to Punjab, Abhijit Singh, Avani from Maharashtra, coaches Praveen Yodle, Aditi Gopi Chandra. And the bronze medal goes to RSPB, Sahil Rajesh Yadav and Jasmeet Kaur. I request Mr. Srinivas, Secretary General of Karimnagar District, to kindly come over to the dais.
సార్ మీరు కొంచెం చూసుకోండి మీరు అందరూ తోసేస్తున్నారు
and encouragement of the archers. Our guest of honor, Mr. C.C. Nodia, President of Hyderabad Public School Society, and a great sportsman and a shooter himself. And he's been the pillar of encouragement for sports from the Hyderabad Public School Society. Mr. Anil Kamini, who's been the patron of archery, not only in Telangana but across the country. Thank you so much. Mr. T. Raju, thank you so much for your leadership to drive this tournament as the President of Telangana Archery Association. I thank all our team members.
Yesterday అదే ఓటింగ్కి వెళ్ళారని చెప్తారు
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మీరు తప్పక రావాలి థ్యాంక్ యూ
కింద కింద
the sport in him also that has
You have juniors as well, right?
yeah juniors under 14 under 9 massive we are going all the way up
So then you should have masters, and senior masters.
and your man
Just
you are
pay
giving
5,000 rupees.
yeah that's it yes and you come into that so I think it's a good thing
good effects for the arsenal
Mother Chief Justice from Andhra Pradesh.
Very good.